Ang planong pamumuhunan ng kumpanyang Cerberus at HD Hyundai Heavy Industries sa Pilipinas ay magpapanumbalik ng sigla ng shipbuilding industry sa Subic at kalaunan ay makatutulong sa pag-unlad ng bansa. Sinabi ito ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. nang dumalo siya sa pag-anunsyo ng partnership ng Cerberus at HD Hyundai sa seremonyang ginanap sa Malacanang. Ayon kay Pangulong Marcos, patunay ito ng tumatatag na relasyon ng Pilipinas, South Korea at Estados Unidos.
We welcome HD Hyundai's investment that will not only open new doors for our offshore wind industry, but will also bring maritime manufacturing back to Subic and eventually restore the glory days of shipbuilding to our shores. Not only would it generate thousands of jobs, but also enable the transfer of critical skills and improve the Philippines' position in the global market. The Philippines is also quite excited to see the realization of Cerberus's plans, including its interest in microelectronics, semiconductors, and critical metals.
Buhat ng makuha ang Aguila Subic Shipyard noong April 2022. Naging masigasig aniya ang Cerberus na i-revitalize ang shipyard.
The investments that will be created hereafter are especially beneficial to Subic because these will strengthen the Freeport area's vital role as a hotspot for industrial, commercial, and other economic activities. The Subic Freeport Zone is one of the most developed and sought-after investment areas in this country. But it can be greater than what it is with the right investment and with the right innovative projects and approach. With your help, we can further accelerate the progress of Subic, cementing its role as a driver of growth for the rest of the country.
Habang ang HD Hyundai naman, sabi ni Pangulong Marcos, ay kinikilala bilang isa sa mga malalaking producers ng mga ships o barko sa buong mundo. Positibo aniya ang gobyerno sa mga oportunidad na may tutulong ng shipbuilding sa bansa. Ang HD Hyundai ay isang shipbuilder at solution provider na nakabase sa Korea. Kilala ito sa heavy industry and energy sectors. Habang ang Cerberus naman ay naitatag noong 1992 sa United States. Alan Francisco, para sa Pambansang TV, sa Bagong Pilipinas.